In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Sigma agent that will talk to a warehouse agent. So we'll get started and we'll create a new agent. And on the right-hand side, you can add a warehouse agent, which includes Snowflake and Databricks agents. So we'll search for our Big Buys agent, and then we'll use the assistant over here on the left-hand side to say, create a chatbot to talk with my Big Buys Cortex agent. And this will use AI to help me build a prompt, which will then go into the instructions that we see here in the middle. And every time this agent is used, those instructions will be incorporated into my question. And then what we can do is ask it a question like, are there any brands struggling in one particular region? And then the Sigma agent will then summarize the question, that it's going to analyze brand performance across regions. And then it's going to delegate the question off to the Cortex agent, which will then compute the answer and then come back with the results. And then if I want to, I can ask follow-up questions as well. And now the Cortex agent comes back with its results, and it clearly shows that there are certain brands over here in the Southwest that are losing quite a bit of money and struggling with their profit margins. And that's all it takes to hook up Sigma to your existing warehouse agents.